Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Friday, and if you're Jamaican, you know that we don't cook on Friday. Yes, guys. So I'm planning to do some burgers at home. Usually, I take the kids out to McDonald's or KFC, Popeyes, all that's any one of those fast food restaurants. But today, I decided to do something different, and we're gonna try to make some burgers at home. So, guys, stay tuned for more. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. Yes. So today I'm not cooking because it's Friday and everybody knows say Jamaicans don't cook on Friday. If you grew up in a Jamaican home, you know the weekly schedule for food. On Sundays, you have your nice rice and peas, traditional rice and peas or rice and gungo. And if you don't cook two different meat any other day of the week, you know you go cook two meat on Sunday. Yes. You gotta have your chicken with something, either oxtail or goat or something, beef, something. Right? Because Sunday just very special to Jamaicans, right? You have to have your vegetable and your avocado, your plantain. You go come out. You go come out. Yes, with your either your carrot juice or your soursop juice, you're gonna come out on Sunday. And then for Mondays now, I your Sunday you eat Sunday Monday. That's what we call it. So it's pretty much Sunday's leftover, right? That's what if people know pass through your yard and eat off your food. So on Monday we have whatever was left from Sunday. Okay. Then on Tuesday, so you eat rice 2 days now. So you need some ground food. You need some dumpling. You need some banana. You need some yam. You need some sweet potato with either stewed chicken or curry chicken. Me right or me wrong, right? Then which part we reach now? We reach Wednesday. Jamaican people, we have a lot of farmers there. So we always eat with vegetable. I don't know about you, but me grew up on a lot of callaloo and pop chow. I when me don't want to eat it, me have to eat callaloo and pop chow. Because sometimes I'm eating a day, right? So you see Wednesday now, you come out with a nice little vegetable. Yes, you steam up your callaloo and your pop chow with, and you can put little saltfish in there. If you have it, with your carrot and cabbage and so, and you steam little white rice. We're not going to go hard. You understand? Because we eat rice and peas Sunday and Monday. We're not going to rice and gungo. We're not going to go too hard on the Wednesday, right? Thursday, say week are done. Grocery are done. The money are done. We're going to flash out something. We're going to flash out something out of the can. What is what corned beef? That's what we call bully beef. Or one or two other dirty girl like tin mackerel with some rice, something. We're going to dash out something. Yeah, with that tall glass of lemonade, right there, so. But you see, Friday, a payday. Friday is considered payday in Jamaica, and nobody now cook. No, bring me go down to KFC, bring me go buy me a burger. I know pizza popular in Jamaica. Bring me go get me something, man. Get me something nice. You understand? And I remember like on Fridays we happy because my mom sometimes when she go to work and come back, she will bring like piece of chicken for we, you understand? Patty, yes. So we know say then the time the juicy beef patty up. Me don't know about no, but juicy beef patty up them the time there. You understand? You're going to juicy beef on Friday, you can't find seat to hold on the pack. You understand? You just feel nice because of Friday. Payday and money run, right? And then on Saturday now, so we cook with good soup. Whether with chicken foot soup or red pea soup with pigtail soup, beef soup, pumpkin soup, whatever, whichever. What kind of meat you have, whatever, it's gonna come out. Yes, our soup day that day. And Sunday we start over again. So I bought some burgers. So usually spend like 60, almost $70 on takeout every Friday. And today I spent $35 getting all these things, buns and burger and cheese. So it's half of my budget today. So let's see. We don't have a grill. So as you know, we live in an apartment. So I'm going to try to do the burgers as best as possible in the oven. Okay. Yeah, so this cost me not too much. We already had lettuce and tomato, but we didn't have any sliced cheese and the burger bun. And I bought this burger here, so we'll see how it looks. Let's see. Oh god. Come on. Okay. So let's try these burgers and see how them come out and see. Right? Okay guys, so this is what the burger looks like. So what I'm going to do is to try to fry it a little bit. Woo. Let's fry it a little bit before I put it in the oven. So guys, the reason for me to fry the burgers a little bit in the pot before I put it in the oven is that I find that if you just put your frozen burgers straight into the oven, it springs a lot of water and it makes the burger like, kind of soft and soggy and all that. So I just find if you fry it first, you get out some of the juice out of it first, then it's good. Then you can put it in the oven and it comes out way better. Gonna put it in the oven.
Yeah. Go again.
There we go.
Bye.
Okay guys, so I just taken out the burgers for the first time. Oh, I'm gonna go flip it over there though. I'll rip that. There, I'm gonna flip it like that. I think now I'm going to add some ketchup on it, some dressing, and put it back. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip these burgers and I'm gonna put the sliced cheese that I have on top, and then we're gonna put them back into the oven until our cheese is all melted and nice on top. Oh yeah. Hamburgers. The burgers are ready. So that's what they're looking like at the end. Like that. So we're having Pepsi tonight with our burgers. So yes, this is all the refill. This is called the refill station.
What happened to
Okay. Joe, I'm waiting on you to take out the one little bun.
I'm trying to.
Okay, put it here. So do you want lettuce and tomato or what?
Lettuce and tomato.
Okay. You want both?
Yeah.
Wait, let me.
Wait, is that a cheese springer? A cheese springer. Shred up cheese. I'm not cheese fingers. Oh no, red. Oh, rainbow's dead.
So do you want ketchup, Joe?
Yeah. I want everything.
You want everything?
Yeah.
Guys, the burgers smell so good and they came out very good. Well done, but not dry or anything, still juicy and nice. And that is how I like it. Okay, guys, this is what Friday night dinner is looking like. This is JoJo's burger. So, how is the burger, Joe?
You're good at cooking.
I'm good at cooking, yay!
You're the best cooker in the whole entire world.
Whoa! Mickey, you like your burger?
The other cooker
Huh?
at restaurant.
Yeah, Mickey, I can't give Mickey a whole burger because he won't eat it. Good.
You have to eat a piece of it.
Okay, guys, eat up your burger. Mickey, Mickey's enjoying her burger. Right, Mickey? So, guys, that's my Friday night. I'm sweating from the oven. Oh, Joe, you giving me a back rub? Oh,
Yeah,
thank you, buddy.
You don't sweat.
Okay, so that's our dinner. I gave Mickey half or a little bit of my burger. So this is what my burger is looking like, but it's really
Why did you take my recipe?
What recipe, Joe? You have recipe for burger?
Okay, guys, my mom took me. She has everything, bro. I have everything. So like and subscribe, and you'll get my Robux.
Sit down and eat one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked our video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.